So today I'm going to be doing some body work on the car. Hello, welcome back to Rustbucket Road Trips. At the moment my car is not working, the ignition is not working for some reason. I'm trying to get that fixed, but meanwhile I will do some jobs on the car that don't require it to be working, such as body work and some jobs getting it ready before summer. And then I can drive it. Yeah, so excited.
So I haven't been able to open this glove box because the handle's gone and you can't open it. So I'm going to make one.
Look so tacky.
So I decided to sand off all that chrome paint because it looked really bad, and I've got this rustic effect for now. I might paint it orange in future. Let's see if it fits. Fits perfectly. Oh!
So at the moment I'm trying to fix the locking mechanism in the front of my car. I really need to fix this because without it I can't lock the front of my car, so I can't leave anything valuable in the front. Usually I'm against painting over perfectly good factory paint, but my car has been painted over like 5 or 6 different times by different owners over the years. It's just been kind of scraped away. I don't know what happened, but maybe the previous owner scraped the car on something and there's just bits of bare metal. So what I'm going to do is sand it down. There's lots of like rust bubbles as well, so I'm going to sand that down and fill in the holes with some filler and then just paint over it so it looks half decent again, and it's not going to rust or anything like that. It's not really going to look amazing, but it's just to prevent the rust, I guess. Thank you everyone for watching this week's video. Very shortly my bike will be fixed and then I'll be making the usual videos out and about, going to car shows, and I've got lots planned. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button right here. See you next time.